Welcome back to another video. Today we have the 40 volts. This is the 40 volts Makita XGT against the 18 volts Makita with the 5 amp hour battery. This is the XDT14. This is model number GDT01. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribes and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Start with some simple drilling, and then we're gonna move on to the harder stuff. We're just gonna do a couple tests. I'm gonna run them side by side. All right, we got a couple screws here, 2-inch screws. And then we got a bit here for these screws. So we're going to start with this one. And just before we get started, we do have 3 modes on this one. We got slow, medium, and high. We're going to be running it on high. This is a 5 amp hour battery. It's full. Alright, so now we got the Makita. We do have 4 speeds on this one. So total of 4 speeds. We got a little bit more modes. This is a newer tool. This is a 2.5 amp hour battery. And this should be a quick insert collet. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and start. We're gonna run the first one right here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Go. Yeah. All right, so pretty simple, pretty fast. Let's take it off. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Go. All right, we're gonna drill a hole. We're gonna start with the 18 volts, 5 amp hour battery. This is a 1/2 inch bit. Good. 40 volt here. I'm gonna drill a hole right here. 1, 2, 3. Go. No problem. Alright, we got a 1-inch spade bit. We're going to start with the 18 volts. We're going to do a hole right here. Alright, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Go. Alright, we got a 1/2 inch by 4 inch slag. We're using a 3/4 inch socket, impact socket. I'm gonna do one just right beside it. Alright, we're gonna try one right here. 1, 2, 3, go. So just a little bit more. Just broke off. Finish it up. Seems to be right. So yeah, alright, we're gonna go ahead and take it off. So it's done. We'll go ahead and take it off. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, temp test on this one. This one's running a little hot. So 117, 113, 120, 122. So that's the hottest. 105, battery 94. So yeah, that's the hottest right there, 121. Let me know down in the comment section, what do you guys think about these 2 tools? I think these are both great tools. Obviously, this one's more powerful. I don't know if it's faster, but I can tell you right off the bat that I think it's more powerful. It felt more powerful. This is actually running cooler. This was running really hot. So this one is like another walk on the park. So you got 96, 101, 90. So pretty cool. This one's running pretty cool. This one's running real hot. So then again, there you have it, guys. This little guy is able to do it, no problem. Would it be doing this all day? Probably not. And just to let you know, these drills, these impact drivers are not meant to drag those lags in. That is just for testing purposes only, entertainment purposes only. So do not try this at home. But yeah, they are definitely able to do it. Let me know down in the comment section, what do you guys think about this? Would you buy any of these tools? Would you replace your 18 volts for 40 volt tools? Obviously this is meant for bigger tools. Obviously they decided to, you know, put some drills out there, so you wouldn't want to have one platform in the truck. But you know, this opens up for bigger, maybe 40 volts, 80 volts, 2 battery tools. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.